To set corner action for bottom left to open or close notification panel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap bottom left. And then tap the gray on offset next to open or close notification to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. To open the notification panel, hover and stop your mouse pointer on the bottom left corner of the screen. Well, to close the notification panel, hover and stop your mouse pointer again on the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.